Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rodeo back here again. Today in this video I am going to show you about how you can blink or dim LED on Raspberry Pi 4 using a simple Python code. Here I am using VNC. You can easily create VNC server using only 2 commands in your CMD. First type SSH and space n at the rate and your Raspberry Pi IP like I show you on screen. Then give command VNC server. So here is my Raspberry Pi 4 screen, and I am connected to Raspberry Pi through VNC. First in this code you need to import Raspberry Pi GPIO library and time library. And then GPIO set mode used to set up your GPIO pins on board. Here GPIO set warning is used to ignore all warnings to run code without any interruption. Now you need to set up your GPIO pin for output. But in the bracket you need to describe which pin you want to use as input or output. In Raspberry Pi 4 board there is total 4 pulse width supported pins, which is GPIO pin 18, 12, 13, and 19. Now you need to set a PWM pin output with how many Hz you want. Here 60 Hz is noticeable but 1000 is not. Anyway, I am using 200 Hz. I am defining value of k is 1, which is used for duty cycle. Now create loop using while true. Type k is equals k plus 1 because every time program starts in loop the value of k is increased by 1 and LED become more brighter. And then type change duty cycle with value k. Remember that, it is case sensitive. And now time sleep used for 0.02 seconds for smooth animation. When value of k is reached 100 the program will show you an error, so you need to set if statement. Using if statement when value of k is reached 100 the program will start from if statement. Here in if statement you again need to define value of k to 1, that's because when loop start cycle start from 1, and type continue to again start loop from start. Now run your code, boom boom boom. Your LED is dancing. I hope you have learned how to blink or animate LED. I am giving a link of code in description. Now like this video and subscribe right now for more amazing videos.